Mycelium, the hidden network of fungi, plays a crucial role in our ecosystems. This underground web not only connects plants and trees, but also facilitates nutrient exchange, enhancing soil health. A single cubic inch of soil can house billions of mycelial threads, making them nature's recyclers. As they decompose organic matter, mycelium releases vital nutrients back into the soil, promoting plant growth and biodiversity. Beyond their ecological importance, mycelium is emerging as a sustainable alternative in various industries. Researchers are exploring its potential to create biodegradable packaging, replacing harmful plastics. Startups are innovating mycelium-based materials for construction, yielding strong, lightweight, and fire-resistant products. These innovations could significantly reduce carbon footprints and promote a circular economy. Furthermore, mycelium's unique properties are being harnessed in bioremediation, breaking down toxic pollutants in contaminated environments. As we face increasing environmental challenges, mycelium offers hope, showcasing nature's ingenuity. Embracing this fungal powerhouse can lead to a more sustainable future, proving that solutions to our problems might be found just beneath our feet.